Hey guys, I thought I'd do a video to just sort of show you guys not only how much I can fit in my BB Nice, but also how I've organized it. I'm going to link the video of me receiving it as a birthday present in June during COVID lockdown and stuff, and also the unboxing at the time. But now that I've had it for a good 4 months, I just wanted to show you guys just how how I kind of protect it and I use it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so we're in my washroom, so I hope you guys don't hear there's this humming sound outside. I think they're doing something, cleaning the roads or something, but hopefully you guys, it's not annoying you guys. It's annoying me because it's like this minor hum, but I'm going to try and just ignore it. But what I've done is I've used this cover. It's just one of their Chanel ribbons that they use in their packaging that I received in one of my items that I have just kind of covered this just to protect, and you know what, it's working really well. I use this every single day, as you'll see. Okay, so I have all my daily items in here. So literally every day after my shower I go and I pull this out, and this is how it kind of is, and then I'll open it up. Okay, so I've unzipped it, and then this is how it is. Okay, now I have actually substituted using this pouch up here. I just don't want to stretch it out for a separate pouch. Okay, I really do like protecting all of my Louis Vuitton stuff. Okay, so I won't really maximize and stretch it out right away. So what I've done is I bought these pouches here, as you'll see, that I've used to organize. It works really well because sometimes if you just need to grab a pouch, then you just literally grab one, right? And out you go, or stick it in a suitcase or whatever. Like, you don't need to take everything with you if it's just a quick day trip or whatever, right? Okay, so that's what I have there. So that's how I've organized it, okay? And that way it protects, it really does protect, I mean, it looks brand new still, right? In here I do have one item that I just wanted to not have with the rest of my stuff. So in here I have my Chanel brooch, which I've kept in there nicely protected. And that way, whenever I want to kind of just throw it on, I do. Okay, it's right in there. It's really pretty. And it's on its own. I really think it deserves its own little pouch, so there it is. Okay. So then in this one pouch, I have all of my face stuff, okay? I swear by this stuff. It's amazing, clearance. Any mamas out there that just don't have time, I would highly suggest the double serum. It works great. Okay, so in here, I kind of organize all my face bits, all of my brushes that I use for my face, and then shadows, blushers, lips, and that kind of stuff, okay? I have my serums here on the side, and then some hairspray. This is the dry shampoo that I use, which is, again, I think an essential to have in your pouch. Now, this is stuff I use very regularly, every day, night. Okay, so this, and then I have my foundation. Amazing. I just switched to this from my MAC to NARS. I've been looking for something with this consistency and coverage. It's great. I haven't had a breakout. It's wonderful. Okay, I use it with my Bobbi Brown powder in, what is this? In pale yellow. Okay. Love this mascara. I've been using it for years. Mascara in there. Some shimmer, some highlight. And I have my brow gel. Some eyeshadow. Stuff that I use on the daily. This is a MAC shadow. It's really cute. I just use my fingers sometimes when I don't have time and I'm looking for a quick smoky look. I'll show you guys, hold on. It's amazing, and the finish is lovely. Okay, so even if I was to show you what it looked like. Right there. It's beautiful on the lid. It gives you the perfect shimmery smoky eye. But anyway, I'm not talking about that right now. I'll put that away. That was for the Christmas collection, I think last year. Okay, so it fits a lot in there, and I have my concealer and my eyeliner. Okay, so that's quite a lot, I think, and that way, so if you need to rush out and go, you have your pouches basically preset and ready to go with all your essentials. And then here are all my brushes, combination of MACs and I think some Sigma brushes as well. I'm not going to go into detail much, and then of course a quick hair tie, which is great. And that's literally all I have in this pouch here, okay? And then this pouch I just got this palette to try out the colors. It's great for fall. I have a blush palette, and then I love this color. It's Maybelline Superstay, what is it? God, I can't remember the name. Poet, yeah, there we are. Okay, some of my lovely blushes. This is MAC in Warm Soul. In Dainty, great mineral. Eyeliner, lip liner, eyeshadow primer. This is just for my eyebrows. This brush should be here. Okay, scissors when I am doing my brows, or if they need a quick trim. I have in here sharpener, these tiny tweezers I got, which are great. And then a translucent powder for those days. Bare minerals, and then I have my, of course, I think every girl has this in her makeup. So yes, and that's my Orgasm blush, NARS, and the liquid liner. I love this. I've been using it again for years. I got it from Boots. And then a spoolie to comb the lashes or the brows. Okay, so all the essentials, easy peasy. Now when you get ready on a daily basis, you have all your bits and bobs, but I feel like sometimes, I also have a little pouch here for my jewelry, so that way you know, like, it kind of covers your daily jewelry that you want to. Right, so there you are. It has some cuffs and other stuff, beautiful things I just like to kind of throw on. Beautiful rings. Okay, and I have some other stuff I need to add on in there, but yes, then I always recommend having a pouch with your jewelry that you like to wear on a daily basis. Again, easy travel. I do have other holders that I use, but all right, so that's that. And then you close it that way. It's not stretching out your pouch itself. You can eat, it's easy travels. That's how I do it, guys. I've been doing it for 4 months, and it's been working great. I did get this from my last Sephora trip. I wanted to just kind of share with everyone. I'm going to give it a go and then let you know how it works. It's a hemp-derived cannabis extract, blue agave extract, all-day hydration and hold. So it's a makeup primer. So I'm not sure how much of a difference it's going to make, but I'm going to give it a go, and I'll probably follow up in my next video if it's amazing. Okay. What I do like about it is it has great ingredients. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, 100% vegan. So I always try and find stuff like that if you're putting it on your skin. Alright guys, so that's my video with all of my things that I use on a daily basis, how I essentially organize my BB Nice, the amount of things you can actually fit in there. I hope you like the recording from the top, because I've seen many videos and they tend to just do it kind of them sitting in the front and they pull things out. You don't really get to see how much you really can fit in there with the organization. But this is how I've done it. So you can actually see it, and I hope you like it. Please comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.